Love Jammy for coming down to the meet. Looking forward to taking your car out for a spin. Audi TT, hopefully 600 minimum horsepower.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I am at the LLF meet. I am at the first location. There's various other cars around me. I've got an M4 behind me, a C63, and of course my Project TT has joined the party. Over there we've got Nick, LLF.
You're right, mate.
Absolutely. I'm glad that yours is back on road running. How many cars are we expected to turn up today?
To here? I don't know. I don't know. I was just pleased if just a couple of people like my brother and me, like my dad, like that was the bonus. But yeah.
Your dad here?
Yeah.
Legend. How you doing, right? Absolute legend. Pleasure to meet you. Absolute pleasure to meet you. Honestly.
My TT
yes
is just about finished, and it will be developing 1,000 brake horsepower.
Wow.
And
I am ecstatic to see what this is like. Honestly,
and it's scary. Even with four-wheel drive,
you can still
go come to grief.
Yeah, I like the merch. Where can we get the merch?
Well,
Pass for life.
that's it.
Where can we get the merch? And you've got the jumpers. There we go. Look, guys, check this out. Arthur's got Arthur official since 1942.
Yes. Bloody old.
And you're still kicking.
Very, yep, absolutely.
Absolute pleasure. Thank you. Gas you up. This is 500 brake horsepower. The gas, man.
Yeah, 500 brake, bro.
I've only just recently started watching your channel.
Oh, you have, yeah?
I love what you're doing.
Thank you, man.
You've got the gas, you've got the energy.
Try to bring that, bro.
Yeah, I love that. I love that. What have you done to your Golf R?
So I bought it as a stage 2, so I'm not gonna lie. Like full stage 2, like
forged.
front mount intercooler. No, not forged.
Okay.
Full stage 2, like had intercooler. Like you can get a stage 2 without intercooler.
Yeah.
It's decat and so on and so forth, turbo. Just recently, it's had the fuel pumps done, high and low pressure, and then the L500 turbo from Litco. What else did we do? And a 4-bar map sensor, and that's it. And then tune. So 500 now.
500 now.
Yeah, it's quick.
Woo! I'm looking forward to seeing your car today. That sounded nice. Really? Second fastest in the country. Killed me. I heard you got the second fastest M140
Hope so.
in the country.
Hope so, man.
Yeah. Sounds lovely, though. I'm looking forward to seeing this pop and bang. What's the horsepower on it? What are you running?
It's not been dynoed yet.
Yeah.
But possibly close to 580. Possibly.
Really?
But it's not
Close
been
to
dynoed.
580? Okay, so we're here now. We're at the meet. And honestly, the turnout, Ricky smashed it. Has absolutely smashed it. Let me just finish talking and show you exactly what is going on. Yeah. Amazing. Oh. Mate, what is this? M2, yeah, but what have you done to
M2,
it?
Wagner decat and performance exhaust.
That's it?
And a custom tune from DMS.
There you go.
But on the first dyno run, it made 346.
Yeah.
Pretty much gained 100.
750 at the minute.
750.
That's about-
Said that lightly. 750 brake.
Yeah.
Yes? What's going on? It's not quick enough, is it? Hey, Sambo! Oi! What's good with you, man?
All good, man, dude.
Yeah, man. Trying my YouTube
Active,
thing myself.
yeah?
Active, bro. Good to see you, man. Subscribe to the channel. Woo! Oh, forget it.
Drippy.
Jesus. Oh, that's hard.
go, Rick. What is that?
Oh, bro, you know, I ain't even gonna lie to you. I did 2 passenger rides earlier.
Yeah.
I swear, like, bro, try not put it on camera. It made made you the shit, basically.
Someone had an accident.
Not even joking.
Wow.
Not even joking.
That's that fast. This is what 720 brake and meth does to you.
Man took a dump, like.
Alright, bless you, man. That's so soon.